What's going on, guys? Trey10 here, and today I just got in the mail my Season 1 Moonstones from Zox, and I just wanted to share those with you guys. I'll show you a little more in depth, but here's both of them. This one is from the Primates series, this one's from the Namaste series, and for today I'm wearing my Move in Silence strap. This one was a limited release that they released it for like a week and then took it down from the site. So yeah, I really like this one. I like ninjas in Japan and stuff. So without further ado, we'll start with the Namaste set, and I'll show you the 6 of them that I had to collect and send my cards in for, and then we'll move on to the Primates. So the first one was Stepping Stones, and I got number 829, and on the back it says, "Obstacles do not block the path, they are the path." And on this one we have Ganesha with, now I'm not too sure exactly what all these Hindu gods and goddesses are holding. I'm not super well versed, but I know, I guess, enough. And then on the inside, of course, Stepping Stones. And I really love the patterns that they used and like the colors for these straps. You know, it's kind of like sacred geometry. And then also, I'm sure you could see, they punched a little moon into all of the bottom right corners of the cards. So yeah, that's Stepping Stones with Ganesha. And then, I'm not sure if in Hindu he's got a different name, but I'm pretty sure this is Wukong. And the cards, or the strap's name is Iron Will. We got number 835. And on the back it says, "Resolve is a muscle that can be strengthened with exercise." And then on here we've got, more of the cool patterns, and then Wukong holding his staff sort of thing, and then there's his tail. And then on the inside, Iron Will with that same pattern. And then for the next one, I'm pretty sure this is Lord Brahma, and it says "Make It So" is the name, and we got number 1605. It says, "Don't talk, act. Don't say, show. Don't promise, prove." And on here, he's holding a lotus, some kind of pot or kettle. There's his multi-face head. And then on the inside, another cool pattern with the "Make It So." And then I'm pretty sure this one's Krishna, and the name of the card is "Show You Care," number 778, and the quote is, "Be the reason people believe in the kindness of others." And on here we've got Krishna playing her flute. I'm not sure the actual name for the flute, with some more cool design in the background there. And then on the inside, of course, show you care. And then the next one is Shiva, except I don't know, I think it looks a little girly, but it's definitely Shiva because it's got the drum, the trident, the snake around the neck. So I'm very sure it's Shiva. But the name of the card is Start Anew. We got number 1682. And the back says, let go of who you were so you can become who you are meant to be. And so yeah, like I said, we've got Lord Shiva on here, holding his trident, snake, the cobra around the neck, the drum, tip of the trident, more cool pattern in the background. With Start Anew. And then this one I had to look up, but I'm pretty sure this is Saraswati, and I hope I said that right. But the name of the strap is Thirst for Knowledge, and it's number 483. The quote is, "You will never stop learning new things, no matter how old you are." And on here we have Saraswati with her sitar, and I really love these patterns on these straps. The artist did a really great job. And of course, Thirst for Knowledge. And so those were the 6 that I collected to be able to get our Moonstone, which I'm pretty sure is Kali. The name of the strap is Live in the Moment. We got number 190, and it says, there are only as many days as you make use of. And then on here we've got who I believe to be Kali, holding maybe some fruits, one of her braids. There's her face, and then holding a scimitar, I believe. And then one of the coolest things about the Moonstones is that stitching there. Try to get a good, yeah, compared to the normal silver, you can really see the Moonstones just real rainbowy. Alright, and so that's our Namaste set. And so now we'll move on to the Primates, which the first one I'll show you guys is the Silverback, number 1936. And the quote is, "Gorillas have a bite that's nearly 2 times as powerful as a lion's. They can also grow to be nearly 10 times as strong as humans." And one of the things I really like about these Primates straps is they all have very kind of African looking patterns on them, and I also really like the fun facts that they have for all the different species that they made a strap for. So here it is. There you can see some of that kind of African pattern, and then we've got our Silverback in a bit of like a thinker pose almost. And then on the inside we've got the same kind of pattern going on. And it says the Silverback. And then next up we have gibbon. We got number 113. And the quote is, "By swinging through trees, gibbons can travel up to 35 miles an hour. They can even clear gaps of up to 50 feet with a single swinging leap." Which I did not know. That's some pretty crazy tree swinging. But I really like this strap. We've got a nice kind of like floral pattern going on with a gibbon there, a gibbon there, and then we got this big old face of the gibbon. Real cute. And then on the inside we've got the same kind of pattern going on with the name of the strap, gibbon. Alrighty. The next one in the series was chimpanzee. And the quote was, "Chimps have nearly 99% of the same DNA as humans. They also laugh when having fun and hug to show affection." Which, I was aware of the DNA fact. But it's still cool, regardless. And see, here we have more kind of African looking patterning with a mama chimp and her baby. And then for the inside it's got that same pattern. With the chimpanzee. The next one was Siamang. We got 526. And it says, Siamangs have a large pouch on their throat that can be inflated to the size of their head. And then, so on here, we've got a really cool looking kind of pattern going on. And then there's our Siamang. And then on the inside, kind of the same flowery mirror pattern, which I'm pretty fond of. And then, of course, Siamang, or Siamang. I hope I pronounced that right. Next we've got the bonobo. Bonobos are known to self-medicate by eating certain leaves. They can also combine several plants together to create effective remedies. We got number 1985. And that's a pretty cool fun fact about the bonobo. They're kind of like the medicine men of the primate world, it seems. And so on here we've got more kind of like African styled patterns with some bonobo faces, bonobo. And then on the inside, kind of the same pattern, the word bonobo. And then for that last one in that series was the orangutan. The arm span of a full-grown male orangutan can be more than 8 feet. And we got number 992. And orangutans are probably one of my favorite monkeys. So for the strap we got a nice baby orangutan. And then we got a older orangutan with some flowers surrounding it. And on the inside, another floral pattern the word orangutan. And then so finally, our moonstone for the primates, which I think is the coolest moonstone for season 1, was Gigantopithecus, which is a now extinct species of ape. Our fun fact is Gigantopithecus would have stood 10 feet tall on his hind legs and weighed about 1,200 pounds. We got number 198 out of 200. Oh yeah, that's another thing. The moonstones, there's only 200 of the moonstones. And so, I'll go ahead and show you the strap. We've got this nice black and white kind of floral pattern with the face of Gigantopithecus peeking through. And then of course the rainbowy moonstone lacing or stitching for the Zox logo. And then the inside's pretty much the same with the words Gigantopithecus. There you can see the little moon. Alright, well that's going to conclude this video. It was a little longer than I thought it would be, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time. And as always, I'm going to have a discount code in the description if you guys want to buy some Zox for yourself. Thanks for watching.